All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm working with Alipearl hair. You guys know Alipearl has always been one of my favorites and also one of you guys' favorites. I am working with a kinky V part. I believe this is 24 inches, but make sure you guys check the description box. The exact length, the direct link to this unit will be down there. So this is how it comes. You've got plenty of clips, an elastic band, all that good stuff to get you going. This video is going to be for my girls who love the sew-ins and also my beginners. So I really wanted to mimic a sew-in without having to sit there and, you know, all that good stuff. You have the ability to take your wig off and put it back on whenever you feel like it, but it's still kind of, it's basically supernatural. So that's what I'm doing here. I left some of my leave out at the top, and then of course you guys see that I left some hair out on the side, which is something I typically don't do. I typically don't leave my sides out at all, but I went on ahead and did it for this video because I just wanted everything to flow really nicely. So y'all see how big this hair is. This has got some volume. She is big, she is beautiful, but she's also very soft, no smells, none of that kind of stuff. But I had to go in and flat iron this hair really well. I actually only did one pass. By all means do two if you need to. I wasn't necessarily trying to get all the kink out, but I did spray a little bit of my silkening mist from Kenra. I've worked with kinky straight hair plenty of times and I love using this mist on it. It just helps to get it a little bit more on the straighter side. And then y'all, this is going to be key right here. Make sure you grab your wax stick and your hot comb, just like you would do with a closure unit or a, you know, full 13x4 whatever unit. Make sure you hit the roots, especially on a kinky unit. It's going to make all the difference. Y'all wait till you see how good this came out. It did not take that long, but it took a little bit of time because this hair is thick, okay, like I said, but it's beautiful. So y'all, that has gotten a little bit cooler. Keep in mind I am in Connecticut, but since it's gotten a little bit cooler, more of my hair can come out. We don't got to leave everything tucked away, so which is why I'm doing a little bit more leave out. I just went on ahead and used my hot comb. I've noticed using a hot comb, especially on my natural hair, just gets it a lot straighter. I used a little bit of my wax stick with it, but not too much. If you are a beginner or you want to start wearing wigs, you want to start with a V part like this or something along these lines, having a hot comb and a wax stick, that's going to be your number like 1 and 2 tool that you're going to need. Trust me on this. A hot comb makes all the difference. So look how this is looking, you guys. It looks so natural. It really looks like it's coming straight from the scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a few layers. Here's a big tip, especially for my beginners, or especially for those who just don't like to cut hair. Like, I'm just not the best at it, you guys. I do try my best to do it, simply because, I mean, the practice makes perfect, I guess, you know? So a big tip is don't cut everything at once. If you're going to cut something, at least start with framing your face to break up the length, but don't go in and cut everything at one time. As you keep wearing your wig, as you keep wearing your V part, you're gonna, you know, figure out what you like, what you don't like, how long you want your layers, if you even want them like heavy or soft or whatever, and you'll end up cutting more hair. So you just don't want to do that up front. All right, y'all, so I'm giving y'all 3 looks with this unit. 2 of them I'm doing the same day, and then I'll show you another look that I did a few days later. But here I'm just adding in some wand curls. Here's the thing with kinky straight hair. It's not a secret. Everybody knows it. If you need your curls to last, so if you have an event coming up, if something special happening and you want your curls to really last, make sure you dual them overnight and do just like a flexi rod, something like a heatless curl, something like that, where you're adding some foam, something along those lines to really get them to stay. Here, I just wanted something really soft, just didn't want the hair to be super straight. I added my little headband right in the front, and this is the first look, y'all. I think it came out really cute, really natural. I was actually going to lunch with my husband this day, and he loves my hair just very natural like this, very soft, and so that's what I did. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. And then I'm about to show you guys how it looks just a half up, half down style, and then I'll show you guys another look in just a second, so keep on watching. So throwing my hair up, half up, half down here. Of course, you can take out more hair if need be. I just left it as is, and I'm gonna tell you up front, did not feel like slicking down any edges, nothing like that. I love the era that we're in, just not needing to lay your edges all the time, giving them a break. That's actually what I've been doing. Honestly, you guys, they've kind of, they've been on the struggle bus like the rest of my hair. So I just kind of left them alone, added a tiny bit of hairspray and a little bit of gel just to kind of tame them a bit. But this is the second look, and then we'll get into the last one. So for this last look, y'all, I thought it would be something very easy for you guys to do. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, advanced, whatever, just a quick and easy hairstyle, especially for the holidays, since we're basically in holiday season. So all I'm doing is just taking two sections out the front. Here I'm gonna go ahead and go ham with some gel because I want this to be nice and sleek and slick. So I'm just adding some edge control on both sides, and then once I've got these sides exactly how I want them, I'm going to put a ponytail like in the back, like in the nape of my neck, so that they're nice and firm, not necessarily tight, but I want these to be slick because I'm gonna do like a halo braid. So all you're gonna do is just take some hair from the sides, kind of like from the back side. Y'all get what I'm trying to say? Because you want to be able to hide the fact that you're pulling hair from the middle of your head. So just do this strategically. You just want your hair at the top to be able to fall over the braid. I hope that made sense because I said a whole lot of stuff right there. Anyways, it's super easy, y'all. Just put two braids on each side, and then one of the braids, you could do it one or both. I'm just going to loosen it up just a bit, just creating a little bit more width, and then you're just gonna cross them over and then pin them down. And that's how I did this look, you guys. I had never done this before, but I thought it was simple, it was cute, and it's going to be perfect for those holiday parties or get-togethers when you just need something really cute to do. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you guys some ideas. I hope this was also helpful for my new wig wearers, my beginner girls, and those who just want something easy in your stash. Y'all know I'm always down for cute and easy styles. Details are in the description box. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
If somebody's heaven, tell me